This short guide explains how to buy shares of BTS Group AB and the steps to find BTSB.ST. BTS Group AB is a strategy execution and training consultancy listed on CBOE EU under the ticker BTSB.ST. And this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BTSB.ST to find the listing. Select the result that shows BTSB.ST on CBOE EU to locate the correct company. Open the asset page to read basic company information and review the price chart to confirm this is BTS Group AB. Double-check the ticker BTSB.ST and the CBOE EU market before continuing. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For reference, the example platform link is in the description if you want to explore eToro as an example.